Welcome to EVS class, children. In the previous class, we have started a lesson that is our environment. Yes, and in this environment lesson, we have discussed about living things, non-living things, natural things, and human-made things also. Yes, so I hope you have understood about the lesson. So today we are going to deal with the objective part, means the written part we are going to do in the term book. Yes, of this lesson. So these all questions will be related to your lesson. I hope you can do it well. Yes, for doing to the written part, you require your term book, pencil and eraser. Okay, so after taking your term book, you have to open your page number 204. Okay, so from 204, we have the written part in your term book. Okay, so now open your page number 204. You have an exercise there. Exercise, that is, first you have A bit, that is the fill in the blanks. Yes, so here you are having 4 fill in the blanks and they have given you few options also. You have to see that and you have to write the correct one. Okay, now let us start with the writing part. First one, all the living things that are not alive are called dash things. So here what they are asking the question? The things which are not alive, what we will call them? See, options they are given: non-living thing, living thing. If they are not alive, what we will call them? Yes, we will call them non-living things. So we will call them non-living things. So write neatly in the blank given there, children. Okay. So here in the A bit, first one they are asking if they are not alive, what you will call them? We will call them non-living things. Okay. See the second one, living things need food and dash to live. So what are the two things compulsory for a living thing to be alive? What are they? One thing they are saying food. The other thing is what? Food and is it what? Options they are given. See, they have given the options as sugar and water. So to be alive, you want sugar or water? Yes, we want water. We don't want sugar, jaggery, sweets, don't want anything. We want food and water. Water is compulsory and it is a very compulsory thing which makes our body to be healthy. Yes, without paying anything. Yes, without buying much, without spending much money, we are getting the healthy thing in our homes, that is water. If you drink water well, everything, whatever the impurities are there, whatever problems you have in your body will be cured. Yes, so water is the first and major medicine we have in our homes. Yes, so the third one, see the third one. The third one they have given us, all human made things are dash things. So all human made things, what are they? See what options they have given. All the human made things are non-living things or natural things. Did human is making any natural thing? No. In that word natural only we have the answer. The natural things will occur, will move according to the nature, according to the natural process. They will not take the help of anything. So here human made things are called what? What the human made things are called? Human made things are all non-living things only. So whatever things a human will make according to the requirements, according to the day-to-day needs, whatever he will invent, whatever he will discuss, whatever he will make are all of non-living things. Okay, children? Now by this third one finished. Now we will move on to the fourth one. See what is the fourth one? Things like rocks, water, air and soil are dash things. So here what they are saying, rocks, water, air, soil, all this will come under what? What they are asking. So here you have two options. What are they? They are given they are natural things or human made things. Now you have to choose the correct one. Rock, water, air, soil, what all these are called? Yes, they are natural things. they will not take the help of anything. They will come naturally. Yes. So this is about your first bit, fill in the blanks. Now we will move on to the next bit, B bit. So what is your B bit? Your B bit is related to true or false. So in the true or false, you have to use two letters, T for true, F for false. Okay. So here the first one we have the word that we see around us is our environment. What they are saying, is it they are saying correct or not? You have in your book, is it correct or not? Whatever we have around us, can we say it environment or anything else? Yes, whatever we have around us, it is our environment. Whether it is a living thing, non-living thing, or natural thing, or human-made thing, we should say it as our environment. Okay? So the first one is true. So whatever the space they have given, you have to write letter T in that space. Okay? Now see the second one. Birds, animals and human beings are living things. You think once children whether they are living things or non-living things? How you will know whether it is a living thing or non-living thing? Yes? Recall your points once. I have explained you in the lesson. You have listened, no? So they are saying birds, animals and human beings, they are living things, citizens. Are they living things or non-living things? Think once. Yes. Why you will say them living things? Because they birds, animals and human beings, they will eat, they want food and water. Yes. They will grow after eating food and water. They will breathe, they will take the air. Yes. They will move according to the requirements. Yes, no? So all these conditions, if a thing is having, we will say them as living things. Yes. So our second one is also a true, is also a correct one. Yes. Now we will move on to the third one. See the third one. Like other living things, plants do not breathe. So what they are saying? Like other living things in the sense animals and human beings. Like animals and human beings, plants cannot take breathing itself. Breathing in the sense, what plants will take? Yesterday I said no. What plants will take? Plants will take carbon dioxide. And what they will leave? They will leave oxygen. So this is only called air. In air, we have two, that is carbon dioxide and oxygen. Plants will take carbon dioxide and they will leave oxygen. Yes, so they are taking breathing, no? By this comparison, you can understand they are taking breathing, they are taking air. Yes, so what is the sentence I have given? Like other living things, plants do not breathe itself. They are saying plants, they cannot breathe. Is it correct or not? That is wrong. In the sense, that is false. So write F, false in the space given there. Yes. So as the space given is very less, that is the reason we are using single letter. The first letter, the single letter we are using here. Okay children. Now we will move on to the next one. That is your fourth one. Everything that moves is a living thing. Yes. Is it correct or not? Whatever it is moving around you means now you are sitting. Yes. In your video you will play, no, some things you will play. Yes, suppose you will play with your toys. Just now in the previous class I explained, you will have remote cars. Yes, key cars. If you give keys, cars, toys will move. So, and you have bicycles, scooters, cars in the home. Will they move by themselves? Will they go wherever they want? If you tell them go outside, get some vegetables, will they go and bring the vegetables? No, they will not go by themselves. If you help them, means if you go, if you write them, if you give them key, if you take them, then only the non-living thing is moving. It is not moving by itself. Yes, no children? So, everything that moves around you is living thing they are saying. Is it true or false? No, it is false. whatever the living thing moving around us is not completely a living thing. Yes, so we have in that some living things and non-living things, so that becomes false. Okay, now we will move on to the fifth one. Living things grow, develop and change. Yes, so what they are saying, living things will grow, they will develop by themselves. Yes, and they will have some changes. Is it there or not? Yes, let us take the example of a plant, a seed. Yes, so before a seed turning into a tree, let us take the help of a mango. You will have some seed. If you keep that seed in the soil, after few days one small baby plant it will come. Yes, so after some days some small stem will come, then after that leaves will come, then some plant will grow little, then after some days it will grow into a plant. So how it is happening? Why it is happening? Because it is a living thing. So living thing, according to the weather conditions, according to the situations, it will grow, it will develop, it will change its entire things. Yes, no? Seed, baby plant, yes, a big tree, how many stages it is changing. So all the living things. Now when you born, you were very small. Yes, your parents, your neighbors, relatives, they used to take you into your they used to take you and they used to hold you in their hands. But they can do it, they can do the such things now. Now you are little grown. After few days you will grow more. After few days you will become more like big brothers, sisters, mummy, daddy, grandmothers, grandfathers. You will become, no? So all these changes, why they are coming? Because we are living things. Living things, we will grow, we will develop ourselves, we will change our situation, we will change our conditions also. Yes, no? So whatever they have given here, see, living things grow, develop and change. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Whichever example we will take, the changes are going there, the development is going there. Yes, no? Whether you take animals, plants or human beings, it will change. Okay, by this we have completed our true or false bit. Yes, in the next page you can check in your next page. The next page you have C bit, that is question answers bit. This question answers will be uploaded later. You can write something. Yes, next you have a yellow color rectangular box there. There you have think and answer. Yes, so this think and answer will become your homework today. So in page number 205, you have think and answer. So read the questions, think according to the question, and you can answer there in a very small way, in a small sentences, there itself in the term. Okay, in term book itself you can write your answers. Okay, now see, next you have values and life skills. Okay, you have here values and life skills. See, in our day-to-day life, what are the activities we are doing, whether we are doing it correctly or any wrong things we are doing. See, here they have given some activities. Here you have to use a tick mark or a cross mark to say whether it is correct or wrong. Yes. So here, see, in the first picture, he is watering the plant. Yes. So in the first picture, he is watering the plant. Watering plants is very good, no children? Yes. Who will water the plant? They water plants, they cannot take by themselves. Yes. So if you give water to plant, it will grow, it will give you flowers, fruits, many things it will give. Plants, they are helpful for us in many ways. Yes. So watering the plant is very good habit. So we will mark it as correct. Okay. So here in the next picture, the girl is going somewhere with a paper bag. Yes. So nowadays they are saying no plastic plastic covers and plastic bags are dangerous. They cannot be disposable. They will harm us only. They will harm us, human beings only, animals. Yes, so they are undisposable. So paper bags are good for us. So you can use paper bags. So here the girl is using paper bag to carry things. So is it correct or not? Yes. The girl is using paper bag. So it is a good activity. It is a good habit. You can turn your page 206. Here one boy is going and he is throwing something on the way. Yes, the things whatever you don't want, unwanted things you should not throw wherever you want. See, for the unwanted things whichever you are not required, they will be thrown in dustbins. Yes, you have to use the dustbins wherever. If you don't want anything, you have to use your dustbins. Yes, so here the boy is throwing unwanted things, papers or anything, some things on the road. So it is a very wrong, bad habit. So you should mark it as cross. Yes, see in the next picture, the boy is plucking flowers. Yes, is it good or bad? See, few people they see the flower is plucking the flowers. See, flowers we can use, ladies they will use flowers, we will give flowers to God. Yes, that is the another way. But if you pluck flowers or leaves, what happens? The plant will not develop. The plant will not develop. So, the plant will not develop. So, what happens? Seeds will not come. Yes. So, if seeds are not there, next plant will not grow. So, development process, it will not, the plant development will be stopped. The plants will not extend. Yes, leaves will not give, the leaves will not make food for the plant. So, the total plant will get disturbed. It will be damaged. So, plucking leaves or plucking flower is also a bad habit. Yes, so we will mark it as cross. Okay, so by this we have completed our complete lesson with the teaching part and the writing part, and after this you have activities. These activities will be given for the doing part in the other classes. Yes, I think you have understood about this lesson. Yes, you have, after completing this also, whenever you have little time, you revise the lesson, then you can understand it very clearly. Okay, the leftover parts will be uploaded the timings and the days when you have to do it. In that particular days you can complete it. Okay children, I hope everyone you have understood this lesson and do this homework. Yes, I will meet you in the next class with the next lesson. Thank you.